Good morning everyone. I Gayatri.
And I'm Satya.
We are of ATL DAV Kalinganagar and we are here to demonstrate our exhibit on the pre-po at home. More specifically, the prepaid postpaid automated home. In spite of the normal wands which we use in a home, it's an advanced version of that. That is, what happens in a general house that a man comes and at the end of the month provide you with the electric bill and you have to pay it at that moment, or you have to rush to the electricity office and pay the bill. But this one, you did not do so much of work. It has a GSM SIM attached to it and constant messages along with the amount is cut from the data pack itself. Coming to the working of it, it has mainly two more parts, that is the GSM part and the automated part. The GSM part consists of three sections, that is the load unit, the display unit and the GSM module. The load unit changes per unit of energy used. The display unit showcases through a 16:2 LCD screen that how much you have used and the amount it is cut. And the GSM part, it has two functions. One, that it sends message to your phone, and second, it sends a message to the CSU where they can know that which locality and which house has used how much amount of money. Then the second part, that is the automated part. It consists of like the Arduino chips and others. If you are out of your house and you do not know that whether you have left off your switches on or off, you can just using just an IP address, you can switch it off or on according to your use.
So now we have an IoT chip here. So generally what happens is, it costs around 5 lakh rupees for automation, around 3 bulbs and 2 fans. In the total system cost 2,500 rupees. So around we have this GSM module, the energy meter, the IoT chips, everything. It is really very it is really very cost effective and generally it is very secure. So we have many debuggers here and many anti-mining chips here. So generally what happens is, hackers do turn the IP address off and they hack the server and they steal all the energy from the system. So it is like a normal PC, and microcontroller is here and also a microprocessor is here. So no one can hack it or mine it. So generally the hackers they steal all the energy and they use it for cryptocurrency mining. So this can be done with this system. So we have the anti-mining chips that are very advanced, like debuggers, and many chips are here. So totally we can say that this is very cost effective. It reduces the manual effort.
Now coming up to the advantages of using this one instead of the one which we use in our home, that it uses, like it is totally automated. No one can just come and check it and you can directly pay your bills. Second, that it is totally digitalized. No human interference is needed. Third, we are facing towards a sustainable India, right? So we need that it is not using paper. You are not giving money to any intermediaries. Then third thing, that we are make in India, make in a digital India. Then coming to the recycling part, it is totally easy for recycling it. Like we get some amount, a very little amount of gold that can be used during the recycling of this thing. And next, whatever, if the normal ones which we use in a home, that has a warranty of 10 to 20 years, but this one, it would be going for more than 30 or 40 years and it can be easily recycled without no possible damage to this system. And if you are thinking of the job eating for some people like the mediatories and all, then friends, do not worry about it, because if we are making such a system, then we will be applying a factory to produce this, and in that system would be applied and we would be generating some people, those jobs will be taken. With this, thank you.